For today's Karak tea, you need 1 liter of water, 800 ml of evaporated milk, 100 grams of sugar, and 4 grams of cardamom ground powder, and 25 grams of black tea, loose tea of your choice. And in this video I am using Ceylon tea, which is a Sri Lankan tea. Pour the water into the saucepan, followed by the milk. Just mix the ingredients together as the saucepan heats up, and then pour the sugar into the mixture, and also just mix that in with the rest of the ingredients. Also add the cardamom powder into the ingredients. Give that a good mix. And now we're going to add the tea. Add the tea into the mixture. As your tea begins to boil or to brew, prepare your infusion teapot, which has the silver cup section that separates the particles, the solid particles, from the tea. This is my infusion teapot. And then you want to pour the tea into your infusion teapot. Once the tea has brewed, pour the tea. This recipe is a very creamy and delicious tea by Chef Noof Almari, a Qatarian chef. And now for the finishing touch, just serve it with some biscuits or your favorite side. Thank you for watching.